Well, it's a shame starvation slowly killed her. Don't worry, guys, I actually have a plan here. Since I'm a long-time fan of this show ever since Swift's introductory, I will call Marcio Araujo, even though you guys have planned for him not to show up again. Marcio Araujo, we need your help. We need you to revive Picky Piggy in that thing you have in your Gladiator series. And once that's happened, you can go ahead and eat up Hilda. Daniel, how could you say that? Shall we move on, guys? Yeah, let's go and find the other smiling critters.